Hello guys, welcome back to this channel, and in today's video on this YouTube channel right here guys, I am going to be showing you guys how you can actually do this, but please keep watching this video first of all. And yes guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how you can literally make cool cash for yourself, how you can actually make money online right now with your phone or your system. So I'm AUDU and I create content to making money online, so please like, share and subscribe to this channel, and let's get into the video guys. Alright guys, so first of all you need to know that our online classes are still actually going on, is still going on right now, and what you're going to be getting is actually the YouTube optimization, affiliate marketing, and also arbitrage, how to actually make money with arbitrage, dollar arbitrage, with your phone or your PC, anyone you actually want. And this number, WhatsApp number, just contact that WhatsApp number and you're going to be getting it for yourself. Yes guys, so it's actually started. And the first one on our list is actually Picoworkers. Yes guys, but first of all you need to know that I am going to be showing you guys how you can literally make money online, free websites, and which can actually make up to $30,000 every month, and I'm going to be showing you guys proof right now right here. So just get started on Picoworkers. That's when if you click the first link of Picoworkers in the description box below, it's going to take you to this space where you can actually click get started, or you click on sign up. So when you click on that, you just fill in your details. Yes guys, you fill in your details, you type in your real name, your email address, your password, preferred password, then you confirm that same password again, and then your nickname, select your country, and then you select I am a worker. Don't actually select you're an employer, you select I am a worker, so you actually make money with the Picoworkers. So as I said earlier, you just fill in all your details, your email, your password, nickname, your country, and click on I am a worker. Please don't actually click on anyone again apart from I am a worker. So when you click on I am a worker now, it's going to take you to another actual space where you're going to be filling this form, that okay, where you are just going to be clicking these two spaces here that you agree to their terms and conditions, then you sign up, and then after that you just log into your account, type in your email address and your password, and after that you just click on that login button, this green big login button you are actually seeing on your screen. So when you just click on it right now, it's going to show you different jobs for you to actually do, even with your phone or your PC or your laptop, your computer, anyone you actually want to actually do. You can literally do that by yourself. Yes guys, and it's actually free to register. These are different jobs which can actually make up to $5 on Picoworkers. So the first thing, you just click on that three drop down menu at the right hand side, as you can see my arrow navigating to that space. So when you just click on it there right now, it's going to be showing you this or what you have to do. So the second space for is actually Bear International. Now Bear International is actually a platform that will actually pay you cool cash for yourself, we by actually doing some little taxes, which they are gonna be actually giving you this stuffs to actually do. They will actually send you these jobs directly into your email box. Yes guys, into your email box. So what you are literally going to be doing is that these jobs are going to be giving you guys examinations that you just do these exams. Just they actually want you to fail these exams. That's just the truth about the matter. So they are going to give you the full details when you just actually sign up to their platform, Bear International. So if you just go to Google, just type in Bear International, it is going to show you the website, which you can actually go there and you start making cool cash for yourself. So it says custom research and leverage. Guys, these are actually something that have been there for over 35 years. Yes guys, so and they are actually still paying and paying. So I am still going to be making a complex video about that one if you actually want. So the third one on our list today is actually crossover.com. So crossover is actually a platform that will actually pay you cool cash up to $30,000 every month for you to actually perform some jobs, for you to actually be a remote worker from the comfort of your home, from the comfort of your own bed. Yes guys, so this is actually one of them, and you see it says current openings, and as you can see here, these are the roles which are actually there, and from $10,000 to actually $800,000. These jobs are actually engineering jobs, architecture and design, services, product management, sales, finance, marketing, business and operation, different things, guys. As you can see here, the list of them is actually $20,000 a month, a year, guys, and that's the very very cool one for you to actually start up with. Yes, guys, you are just being a manual QA tester. Yes, guys, you just test in some things on this site and you make cool cash for yourself. And this is something that you can literally do, or you just comment down in the comment section. Just like this video if you want to actually see a full tutorial about this video. Just hit the like button. And this next one is actually QA engineer. Yes, you are literally an online engineer from the comfort of your home, and you're gonna be getting $30,000 a year. Yes, guys, so they are gonna be paying you literally even if you don't actually, as far as you are signed up, they actually approve you to this platform, you are going to be making cool cash for yourself. This software engineer, which is actually $60,000. Yes, guys, and there are a whole lot of them, guys. There are a whole lot of them. So that will be all for this video. I'm sure you guys understand that. You guys, please like this and share this video. Thank you and peace out.